ASMR content has captivated millions, offering viewers a calm and immersive experience that promotes relaxation and focus. If you're interested in creating ASMR videos yourself, this guide will walk you through the essential steps, from setting up your equipment to mastering sound quality. Let's dive into what you need to get started. First, let's talk content. ASMR covers a range of experiences, from whispering and tapping to nature sounds and roleplay. Start by deciding on a theme or sound focus. Ask yourself, what sensory experience do I want to create? Once you're clear on this, draft a simple script or outline to keep your video on track and intentional. Next, let's go over equipment. High-quality sound is a must for ASMR. A good condenser microphone, headphones, and a quiet recording space will make a huge difference. Condenser mics capture subtle sounds beautifully, which is key for the tingling ASMR effect. Remember, you don't need to break the bank. Just start with what you can afford and upgrade as you go. When it's time to record, focus on positioning and sound levels. Position your microphone close to the sound source, but avoid loud or abrupt noises. Practice different techniques like soft speaking, tapping, or brushing sounds to get a feel for what works best. Also, keep your movements controlled to maintain a consistent sound. After recording, editing is where you bring everything together. Use software like Audacity or Adobe Audition to enhance sound clarity and remove any background noise. Adding light reverb can enhance immersion, while equalizing helps balance sound levels so each part of your recording is smooth and satisfying. Finally, let's touch on sharing your content. Platforms like YouTube or TikTok are ideal for building an ASMR audience. Consistency is key, so set a schedule for posting. Engage with your viewers to learn what they enjoy most, and be open to evolving your style based on feedback. With time and practice, you'll refine your approach and start connecting with fans who appreciate your unique ASMR style.